Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how you can fix your Snapchat camera zoom problem. And this is very simple. Alright, go to your Snapchat application, tap left in the top on your profile and tap right in the top on the wheel. Then scroll down to additional services and tap there on Lens Studio and click on tap to reset and now tap on unpair. Alright, Lens Studio pairing data has been cleared. That is the first option that we need to do. From here, go to Clear Data, go to Clear Lenses, and tap on Clear All Lenses. Clear. Alright, now close the app, open the app again, and right now our problem got fixed. Alright, if you still have this problem, please let me know it in the comments because I can help you from there because I'm here to help you out. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.